that. It's windy. For the blunt, we're going to go fast. It was quick.
Yeah,